Do you hear those birds? Oh, the lights are terrible. You can't see anything. Oh, I'll put this back. A little bit of my neighborhood. You should have seen this before. We took all the weeds out and the old plants, and we still need to put something right there. Oh, people can let you hear the birds. Listen. They're back here. Let me see if I can turn. They're in that tree right there. No, not the motorcycle. Really? There go the birds. You scared my birds. Oh, here's some more. Oh, we have a big highway right behind the house. Gotta listen to the birds. Oh, man. See my bushes? Yeah. Dogwood bushes. Trim them all back. Come on, birds. Look at the wind in the tree. Come on, birds. Hear me? Why don't you go outside and listen to your birds? Every place has different birds. We have magpies out here in Utah. If we had magpies in Illinois, I never saw one, let alone heard one there loud. I miss my cardinals, but that's okay. There's birds all hear them. There they go. Alright, not to bore you, I just want you to hear my birds. Well, my outside birds. I don't own them. Oh, look, the empty chair. Alright, see ya. Enjoy your Sunday.